Imagine traveling through space at over 24,000 miles per hour. Now imagine hitting Earth's atmosphere at that speed, surrounded by fire hotter than lava. This is the reality for NASA's Orion spacecraft, and today we're going to break down how Orion survives the most dangerous part of its journey, coming home. Orion is NASA's deep space crew capsule designed to carry astronauts to the moon and beyond. But no matter how far it goes, every mission has one final challenge: getting back to Earth safely. And believe it or not, returning home is often harder than going to space. When Orion comes back from the moon, it's moving at around 24,000 miles per hour. That's fast enough to go from New York to Los Angeles in just a few minutes. At that speed, Earth's atmosphere isn't soft. It feels like hitting a wall. So Orion can't just fall back. It needs a carefully planned entry. As Orion approaches Earth, it reaches what's called the entry interface, about 75 miles above the surface. From this point, everything has to go perfectly. If the angle is too steep, Orion could burn up. If the angle is too shallow, it could bounce off the atmosphere and drift back into space. The correct angle? Just about 6 to 7 degrees. That's a tiny margin for error. As Orion slams into the atmosphere, the air in front of it gets compressed and superheated. Temperatures can reach over 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit, hotter than molten lava. The spacecraft doesn't just get hot, it turns into a blazing fireball. To survive this, Orion uses a massive heat shield, the largest ever built for a human spacecraft, which absorbs and Here's the scary part. Mission Control loses contact with Orion during re-entry. Why? Because the extreme heat creates a layer of plasma around the spacecraft, blocking radio signals. For several minutes, Orion is completely on its own. No communication, no updates, just engineering and trust. Orion doesn't dive straight down. Instead, it performs a skip re-entry, like skipping a stone across water. It dips into the atmosphere, climbs back up briefly, then re-enters again. This helps reduce speed gradually, manage heat buildup, improve landing accuracy. It's one of the most advanced re-entry techniques ever used. As Orion slows down, astronauts inside feel intense pressure, up to 4 to 5 times their body weight. It's like being pushed hard into your seat with massive force. They train for this, but it's still one of the toughest parts of the journey. Once Orion slows enough, parachutes begin to deploy. First, small parachutes stabilize the capsule. Then, 3 giant main parachutes open up. These slow Orion down from hundreds of miles per hour to about 20 miles per hour, making landing safe. Instead of landing on land, Orion lands in the ocean, called a splashdown. The ocean helps absorb the impact, making it safer for the crew. Recovery teams quickly arrive to bring astronauts home. From extreme heat to total communication blackout, Orion's return to Earth is one of the most intense journeys in space travel. And yet, with precision engineering and advanced technology, it safely Mars Mysteries, Moon Secrets, Artemis Moon Mission Updates, only on Planet Alive. Subscribe, like, and share to stay connected to space.